Now, the first thing we're going to have to do to solve this linear system by elimination is reorder the equation, the second equation, so that it's in the same order as the first equation. So we want the x term to come first. So step one is express both equations in the same form. So we're going to put our x term first, like we did here, and in the first equation. So we're going to rearrange our second equation. So we're going to put the x term first, so it's going to be negative x plus 2y equals 11. So all we've done is rearranged the second equation, and remember the sign stays with the variable, and the coefficient stays with the variable, so negative x plus 2y equals 11. So next we have to choose which variable we want to eliminate and multiply if necessary so that we have the same or the opposite coefficients for our chosen variable that we're trying to eliminate. So here you'll notice the x terms already have opposite coefficients, so we're done here. So now we're going to add or subtract the like terms in the equations and solve for the unknown. So what you can do here is add these two to eliminate the x variable. So we're going to add to eliminate x because x plus negative x is going to be 0, and 5y plus 2y is 7y. 3 plus 11 is 14. Okay, so we're adding the like terms vertically, and we end up then with 7y is equal to 14. We divide both sides by 7 and we get y equals 2. So now we've solved for one of our unknowns. Next, what we have to do is determine the value of the other variable, our x in this case, by substituting the value we've solved for. So we're going to sub in for y equals 2 into one of the other two equations. So 2y is equal to x. 2y minus x is equal to 11. We're going to sub in for y equals 2. And when we do that, we get 2 times 2 minus x is equal to 11. 4 minus x is equal to 11 because 2 times 2 is 4. We subtract 4 from both sides and we end up with negative x is equal to 7. We divide both sides by negative 1 and we get x is equal to negative 7. So therefore our solution then is x is equal to negative 7, y is equal to 2, or if we're going to express that as an ordered pair, the point of intersection of this linear system is going to be negative 7, 2. Our next question, solve the linear system by finding the points of intersection using elimination. And in this case, we're going to have to multiply one of our equations, or both of our equations, in order to get the same or the opposite coefficient.